I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Gillespie. I just wanted to get on here and share with you my BOXYCHARM box for the month of, what month are we in? April. So I received it this afternoon, so I wanted to go ahead and just open it up with you guys and share with you what I received, and if it's possible, I will do a full try on with all the products that I received in this box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up and see. Okay, so here is the box right here. I see a bunch of goodies. Okay, so the first thing I see is, let me see, some pamphlets. This, I guess they're promoting the makeup eraser. I have the makeup eraser and I love it. I actually purchased mine, if you're in, yeah, I actually purchased mine at Costco, but I'm not sure if you guys have that where you're at, but it says if you do purchase one of the makeup erasers at makeuperaser.com, use the code BOXY20 to get 20% off of your purchase. So that's good to know. And then also I have my BOXYCHARM pamphlet here. It's the box 4. I'm not sure if you can see that. Anyway, so it's the box 4 and it says Festival Vibes right here. Then it has all of what is in the box, which I will be reading to you as I go along. So the first thing that I see are these super cute masks. I'm hoping my bright light isn't too bright for you guys. Okay. So I have these masks. This one says it's Purifying I'm Cactus Mask Sheet from Moly. And then this one right here is for calming. And it says I'm Hemp. Super cute. And this one says Illuminating I'm Lotus. And let's go ahead and read those. It says from Moly, I'm Real Sheet Mask. Replenish your skin with I'm Real Sheet Mask. The 3-layer pulp sheet is filled with natural ingredients and soaked in different types of enriched essentials to yield maximum hydration for your skin. Transform dull and tired skin into healthy, moisturized skin in as little as 20 minutes. So I'm definitely gonna be trying these out. Those are so cute. And those retail for $9. So that's that. So the next thing I see is this right here. And you guys know I love Elemis. And this says it's Superfood. Cica Calm Hydration Juice Super Hydrating Gel. So this one right here, it says Elemis Superfood Calm Hydration Juice, loaded with vitamin-packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe. This gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration, helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for more even, calm, balanced looking complexion. And this one retails for $48. So that is good. Let's open this up. So I put a little bit here. So good. Yeah, that one, it retails for $48. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like calming. see is this right here from Dose of Colors, Lip It Up, Satin Lip, in the color Butterscotch. And I'm really not a lipstick person, but let's open it up and see. Okay, so it's right here. That's such a pretty color. I'm not sure if I want to keep it or, and it goes up like a lipstick. Is it a concealer? No, it said lipstick, right? Satin Lip and Butterscotch. So yeah, I don't know. I guess I can swatch it. I might give this away, but that's the color. It's so pale and it's very matte, so that's cute. Packaging is adorable. And it says, for this one, it says, Dose of Colors Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. This satin lipstick is a richly pigmented formula in between a matte and creamy finish. Its unique shape allows for smooth and precise application, and this retails for $17. So that is that. And the next thing I see is this right here. And it is from Hank and Henry Beauty Sponges. Comes with 2. I actually need a couple of more sponges. And I love the way these are shaped. Of course, the other one flies across the room. Hold on. Okay. So you have this big one here, and look at that. It even has the Hank and Henry logo right there. So cute. The little one doesn't, but that's the little one. And for this one, let's read. So for these sponges, it's the Hank and Henry Midori Beauty Sponge Bundle. These beauty sponges are significantly designed to be versatile, all-over sponges for liquid and cream application. They can be used wet for a sheer application or dry for fuller coverage. And these retail for $20. So those are bright and pretty. Okay, so last but not least, I see this right here. I've wanted to try this for a while. And it is the POREfessional Pore Primer, Smoothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores from Benefit. Let me open it up, and that is so cute. I've always wanted to try this, but I never did. I just never, I'm actually out of primer, so here it is here. So I'm excited to try this out. I ran out of my e.l.f. primer, my e.l.f. stick. So I'm just gonna put a little bit just to try it. Oh, it feels so satiny. It feels so good. Okay. And let's read about this. It says, okay, so this one right here, it's Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer, or POREfessional Face Primer. Quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radicals. And this one retails for $32. So I'm excited to use this. It's oil-free, lightweight, translucent, silky, and it does say 97% people say that the skin looked smooth, 91% said it minimized poor appearance, and 93% says it helped makeup stay put. So I'm excited to try this, and with all of these products, the hashtag for this month is hashtag BOXYFestival. So I'm definitely going to be trying these out. I'm not sure if I actually have enough product to actually make like a full try on video. So I might just go ahead and do a separate video of maybe doing an entire face or something. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do that. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to hop on and share with you guys what I got. And if you have any questions, just comment down below, let me know, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. But until next time, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.
So why is it so hard to let you go?